Get your ball, Smokey. Get your ball. Go.
He thinks you're doing something.
Yeah.
Good boy, Hunter. Good boy. Good boy, Hunter. Good boy. Whose toy is it? Is it Josh or Clarice's?
Okay, who's got the ball? Who's got the ball? You don't want to share, do you? This is what Hunter wanted. This is really... Are you going to share? You want to share the toy together and play together?
Hey.
Enough. Enough. Smokey. It's not a leash. Looks like they're kissing and they're making out.
I got it.
Smokey doesn't have his ball anymore. He wants my help. I know when he does that, he wants Mummy's help. Yeah, Hunter, you better stop that soon because Smokey's going to crack the shits. Wait, Smokey, get your ball. Come on.
Smokey, now's your best chance. Go get it.
Get your ball, Smokey.
Good boy, Hunter. Hunter's a good boy.
What happened, Smokey? Did you get defeated? Hunter's got your new toy. Go get your ball, Smokey. He goes, Mum, can you help me? I can't get it.